First decision that has now been taken by the new government as far as when it comes to the farmers' welfare is concerned. A picture that has now been shared of Prime Minister Narendra Modi filing when it comes to the PM Kisan Nidhi release. And this is the work that the Prime Minister says that he wants to keep working even more when it comes to the farmers and the agriculture sector. In the times to come, this is the first signature on the file that the Prime Minister seems to be doing, saying that our government is fully committed to Kisan Kalyan, and it is therefore fitting that the first file signed on taking charges related to farmer welfare. We want to keep working even more for our farmers and agriculture sector in the times to come. Let's also talk more on that, because today is the day when the first cabinet meeting of the Modi Sarkar 3.0 that will be taking place in the evening. But as the Prime Minister for the third term, on the first day itself, a big decision that has now been taken by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. This is the first decision of the new government showing commitment of the government to द फार्मर वेलफेयर. अमित हमारे साथ जुड़ गए हैं. अमित, किसान कल्याण के लिए पहली दफा पहला दिन प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का जो तीसरे टर्म में फाइल साइन करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं, आखिरकार किस कमिटमेंट की बात करते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं प्रधानमंत्री?
ये देखिए, प्रधानमंत्री ने साफ शब्दों में कह दिया कि जो उनकी सरकार है वो पूरी तरह से कमिटेड है किसान कल्याण के लिए. और सबसे बड़ी बात की, उन्होंने एक शब्द में कहा कि हम लोग जो है काम वो हमेशा करते रहना चाहते हैं, और खासकर किसान और एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर के लिए जो हम लोग ने काम किया है उसको आगे बढ़ाएंगे. और इसीलिए देखिए, पहला फाइल इन्होंने जब मोदी सरकार टीम ने जब चार्ज लिया, ऑफिस गए, तो पहला हस्ताक्षर जो किया है वो किसान निधि रिलीज किया, करीब 20,000 करोड़ रुपए जो कि सीधे उनके अकाउंट में जाएंगे. तो ये दिखाता है कि जो किसान को लेकर कमिटमेंट है सरकार का, वो कोई और भी फाइल साइन करते थे, लेकिन किसान को लेकर, एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर को लेकर लगातार प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी शुरू से ही कहते कि इनका किसानों के इनकम को डबल करना उनकी प्राथमिकता है. किसानों की इसकी चिंता सबसे ज्यादा इस सरकार को करनी है, और हम पिछले 10 सालों में सरकार ने किया भी है. और ये देखिए, विजुअल्स भी जो आए हैं वहां पर जब वो चार्ज लेते हुए, और तस्वीर भी जो दिख रही है कि कैसे उन्होंने जो पहला हस्ताक्षर था वो किसान निधि सम्मान जो है किसानों के अकाउंट में पैसे जाते हैं 2000, तो वो पहुंच रहे हैं, उसको हस्ताक्षर किया है. तो ये कमिटमेंट सरकार की देखिए, और नरेंद्र मोदी कमिटमेंट की काम लगातार करना है. चुनाव प्रचार खत्म होने के बाद भी अधिकारियों के साथ बैठे थे. चुनाव खत्म होने के बाद, नई सरकार गठन होने के बाद पहला सिग्नेचर भी वो कर रहे हैं. तो ये प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का कमिटमेंट है, और यही कमिटमेंट सिर्फ नरेंद्र मोदी का नहीं बल्कि पूरी सरकार का है. गरीब कल्याण, जन कल्याण, किसानों के सम्मान की बात करते हैं, किसानों के हितों की बात करते हैं, और यही आप
अमित अभी जो तस्वीरें आ रही है ना, वो एक बार मैं अपने दर्शकों को एक बार दिखाना चाहती हूँ. Even we have Pragya also joining with us right now. The first pictures that you see, of course, when it comes to the convoy that was making its way to the South Block this morning that we saw of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Today is his first day in office for the third term that he has now taken over, a historic third term. And Mohit is also with us, Pragya is also with us. This is the picture that has now been shared on part of Prime Minister Narendra Modi signing the file when it comes to Kisan Kalyan. And this has been the thunderous response, especially when it comes to the staff, the people who have been working with the Prime Minister as he made his way in to his office. This is something that he's very familiar with. Of course, this is the next 5-year term that he is leading the country. And from the Prime Minister's office, the first file that he has signed when it comes to the empowerment of the Kisan Kalyan, that the Prime Minister says that his government is committed. And let me go across to Pragya and Mohit, both of them joining us live as well. Pragya, if you can explain to us when it comes to the pictures there that has now been shared, a thunderous welcome for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and of course the first thing that he did today in office.
That also shows how popular Prime Minister Narendra Modi is. In fact, he has been very considerate towards the staff, and not just that, in the governance as well, but when he was in the party, he was very considerate towards the staff. So that's his nature. And remember, whenever there is any big event, he always felicitate sanitation workers. He always goes to the laborers who are instrumental in building that project particularly. And he also says that, whenever I do work, there are many people who help me in that, and the staff, recognizing the staff also boost morale of these people, and they feel valued as well. This is the message that Prime Minister is giving them, and they are also welcoming Prime Minister, in fact saying that we We are very happy, and this is a very momentous and historic moment as well. They are welcoming no one else other than Prime Minister of India, and they feel valued. These pictures actually are showing that and expressing gratitude on the both sides. And in fact, Prime Minister has taken out time to greet and sort of give respect to them as well while they stand, giving him a very big applause. This is not a very small feat that he has achieved. This is the third time that NDA government has been sworn into the power, and Prime Minister has become Prime Minister for the third time. Apart from that, oath taking ceremony was last evening, and he just got down to the work, saying that I am releasing 17th installment of Kisan Kalyan, 20,000 crores to 9.3 crore farmers is what the money will be transferred to their accounts directly, and also saying that we are committed to the farmers' welfare. Obviously a very, very strong message to the farmer community across all the states, including Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, and also, a testament to Modi government's policies. It's an extension of that, and they will continue working on what they were working on in the previous term as well. The focus will be the farmer welfare, and the first file that he has signed in the morning is of farmer welfare, giving them the installment of Kisan Samman Nidhi.
Well, let me take that also to Mohit as well, because Mohit, it seems to be one of the promises that was made by the BJP in its manifesto called Modi Ki Guarantee. When it comes to strengthening the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana, the PM Fasal Nidhi Yojana, and especially when it comes to strengthening and making the Kisan Atmanirbhar, all of those factors that seem that the Prime Minister is already working on it, the first day itself.
Well, Amita, by signing this file, it's clear from the end of the Prime Minister that we are committed to the welfare of the farmers, of youth, of women, and of the poor in the country. And the schemes that were running from past 10 years, the pro-poor schemes, the pro-beneficiary scheme, they will continue to run. And perhaps that is why the first file that has been signed by the Prime Minister, when for the first day after taking the oath as the Prime Minister, he went to the PMO, is about release of the next installment of PM Kisan Nidhi. Now, this will benefit 9.3 crore farmers in the country, and 20,000 crore rupees will be given in various installments to the people, to the farmers who are eligible under this particular.
Stay on with us, Mohit. We also take that question to Mr. Rajagopalan as well. Sir, good morning to you. It's the first day, the first hour, and the Prime Minister is already working, sir. He's signed his first file already.
Prime Minister, having gone into this, PMO signs the first file. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has gone into his seat third time, which is a very historic one. And second thing, Prime Minister signs off Kisan Nidhi upon more than 20 crores. It's the first decision of the third term. It's a welcome decision. And Prime Minister was received by NSC Doval and Principal Secretary Mr. P.K. Mishra. Prime Minister is now going to sign the allotment of portfolios for the ministers. In another half an hour or 1 hour's time, it will be known, because today evening 5 o'clock is a cabinet meeting. The ministers will also be briefed by the respective officials of the respective secretaries to the Government of India. Therefore, Narendra Modi's 3.0 is in position. That's the greatest victory, and it's a political tight slap on Rahul Gandhi and Congress, because Rahul Gandhi said Prime Minister Narendra Modi kabhi nahi banenge, lekin ban ke dikha diya hai.
All right. So he seems to be already working as far as when it comes to the promises that was made by the BJP in its poll manifesto as well. There was involvement of youth, the farmers, the poor, especially when it comes to the farmers as well. Here we are looking at the first file of the Kisan Kalyan that is now being signed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The benefits directly that will go to the farmers, saying that this is therefore fitting that the first file signed on taking charge is related to farmer welfare. We want to keep working even more for the farmers and the agriculture sector in times to come. Let's also listen into other reactions on part of the BJP, and you can hear when it comes to the thunderous welcome that the Prime Minister is now getting as far as in his first day of being the Prime Minister for the historic third term in South Block.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.